Hi, this is the 100th video. We didn't quite make to the 3000 subscribers before this video, so this won't be an hour long, but I wanted to make something a little special, so I'm gonna talk in this very heavy Finnish accent if someone is mad enough to like this kind of accent. So as you can see, I'm gonna give you a massage, and yeah, I think we are ready to start. Just gonna start from your left side, from your arm. And I found some blue gloves. I usually have only white gloves, but now I have blue ones. I like these ones better. Please be sure to comment if you like this Finnish accent. Me personally, I'm not a real fan of Finnish accent. I like British accent and all kind of accents, but maybe Finnish isn't the thing for me. Going down your left arm and just pulling your arm to stretch your muscles. Holding your hand and squeezing the muscles in your arm. Now from the other side, so your right side. I think I need to switch sides so my back won't twist so badly. Excuse me climbing over you. So holding your hand and stretching your muscles on your right arm. Going all the way to your shoulder. Giving your shoulders a good squeeze. A bit hard from over here. And now with my both hands, really squeeze the muscles. And now I'm gonna press your chest and your both shoulders. Starting from your shoulders. Just pressing you down. And squeezing as I press you into the bed. Soft, cozy bed. Now pressing your chest, going down all the way to your hips. Okay, I think I can change sides again. Excuse me. So once again from your shoulders, pressing down, squeezing, and letting go. Pressing down, squeezing, and letting go. Now pressing your chest all the way down to your hips. Rocking your hips from side to side. And moving down your legs from your thighs. Are these thighs? Yes, they are. To your calves. all the way to your feet. Now just stretching your feet a bit. Give a good stretch to your ankles. My ankle has been very sore these few days, and I don't even know why. I was swimming today and it hurt even there. Okay. I'm just gonna roll your legs a bit, just to give them a good stretch, rolling you like a baking dough. Good, rolling your hips also. Good, and now releasing the stretch. Now tucking you in a bit. Good. Now I'm gonna use this very high-tech massaging tool. Just gonna press it here and twist it. So. And to your shoulder again. Over here on your left side. I hope I haven't mixed up your sides as I talk. Anyway, this is your left. Now your other shoulder. It has these rubber cushions, so it doesn't feel so bad. Now squeezing. Good. I hope I don't break these, so maybe I can use them again. I don't have many blue ones. Good. I'm just gonna make a triangle with this and massage from the middle with my hand. And from here. And from here. And here. Do you have any specific place in your body that needs to be massaged? Nothing special, just pain all over. Okay. I totally get that. When we get older, our whole body just disassembles and gets sore. We are not 20 anymore. Or at least I am not. Okay. Now to your thighs again. And from the other side. Pressing this into your knee. And massaging from the other side. And the same thing to your other knee. Does this feel alright? I'm going to go behind your thigh, your back thigh. I'm pressing this in front. And to the other side. My back is so twisted in this position. Good, the same thing to your calves. I'm just gonna press this against your sari. What the heck is it called? Well, here anyway. And from the other side. I have had so much work and shit to do that I don't have had time to film. But now I found this time to film for you a good massage. Now just this traditional way. I'm gonna change sides once again. My back is killing me. Wouldn't it be great if we didn't have to work? I would make 10 videos a day. Okay, now pressing. And I did get some new tools for you for eye exams and for picture taking, so please be tuned. There's something coming. Now I'm gonna stretch you again. Just a little stretch to your calves and to your knees, your thighs. Now when they are in this pile, I can just massage them all at the same time. Now your hip and your tummy and your hands. Good. Okay, I don't think I can stretch you anymore. I think you may break just a little bit. Good. Now, once again, your shoulders. Your right one. And your left one. Now your neck area. And now your throat. Just pressing. Can you breathe? A bit, okay. Good. All right, now I'm just gonna unroll you and give these little karate chops. As we go. Can you feel your legs, your hip? Good. That was all for today. Tell me if you like this accent and subscribe and all that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.